In this video, I will show you how to install Jio TV on your smart TV without Play Store or Google Play Store. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to install Jio TV on your smart TV but you don't have Google Play Store, or maybe you've not seen it on your App Store, this is what you can do. You are going to use this application called Downloader. It's a very easy to use application, and what this application does is that it helps you install APKs, files, media from across the internet. So in the description of this video, there is a guide that is going to show you how to install the Downloader app. Once you've installed the Downloader, you're going to launch it. Once you launch it, come over here, and in the box, you're going to type in the keyword Jio TV. Once you type in that, you're going to click on search. Once you go over to search, Downloader is going to show us various options on the internet where you can install Jio TV from to our smart TV. So you're just going to play around them to see which one you like. So for instance, I would recommend to go for the second option. As you come to the second option, this is what is going to happen. So it's going to come over here, and as you can see, if you're in India or in a country that supports Jio TV, then you are going to see the install button, which you can just go ahead and install the application to your smart TV. But if it's not supported in your country, then you cannot install it to your smart TV. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this.